Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to visit an amazing place that's called Rauhaniemi. That's not too far from city center. From Tampere city center is going to be around 2.5 kilometers away. What I found from Google, like there are lots of beautiful things to enjoy. Let's say there will be yacht, then lake of course, because Finland is all about lake, and then public bath, and also there will be a swimming club. But most of the things will be closed down because of the corona things. So I will share the entire journey with you. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe.